Hello everybody, welcome back. After the inbound came in, outbound came in. This is the inbound that's coming. After the outbound came in, we had some freight locomotives take off down the opposite way. It's a bit early. The train's a bit early. It said 3 minutes about like a minute or so ago. The freight locomotives went down that way and they went around the curve. We've got to shorten that up there. It's the second time this has happened. Sorry, nothing big's happened. When we hear the announcements from inside the train, with the doors open, the people coming in. Heard that yesterday when we came. That was in Villa Park. This is Elmhurst, as you can see. The doors are closing. That means we're due to take off any moment. Poor people have to wait for the crossing down and up instead. Okay, that's when the train's gonna make that crash noise when it takes off. I never noticed that happening, even from inside the train. When we took the train. Squealing. There we go, we got the light knocked down and everything. Oh, sorry. The crossing down there. Alright guys, see you next time, bye.